Group tutorials explained, enhancing your English learning. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to delve into the concept of group tutorials. This is a vital topic for anyone involved in collaborative learning or considering it as a part of their language improvement journey. So, let's explore what group tutorials are and how they can benefit your English learning experience. Group tutorials are a form of learning where a small group of students come together to learn and discuss a subject, guided by a tutor or instructor. Unlike traditional classroom settings, these tutorials offer a more interactive and personal learning environment. They encourage participation, discussion, and collaborative problem-solving among students. This setting is particularly beneficial for language learning, as it allows for real-time conversation practice, immediate feedback, and a supportive community environment. Group tutorials offer several advantages, especially for those learning a new language like English. Key benefits include enhanced speaking and listening skills. Regular interactions with fellow learners and the instructor improve conversational skills. Diverse perspectives. Exposure to various accents, dialects, and cultural references enriches the learning experience. Motivation and support. Learning in a group can boost confidence and motivation, as students encourage and learn from each other. Customized learning. Tutors can tailor lessons to the group's needs, focusing on common challenges and interests. To fully benefit from group tutorials, consider these tips. Active participation. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your thoughts. Respectful listening. Learn from your peers, respect their opinions, and understand different viewpoints. Preparation. Come prepared with topics or questions to discuss, maximizing the tutorial's effectiveness. Openness to feedback. Embrace constructive criticism to improve your language skills. Group tutorials are an excellent way to enhance your English learning journey. They provide a dynamic, supportive, and interactive environment that facilitates not just language learning but also cultural exchange and personal growth. We hope this video helps you understand the value of group tutorials and encourages you to participate in one. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.